Okay, so I came to Windhoek with no plan actually for Namibia, but I heard that, yeah, it's a place that you want to rent a car and drive around. Started checking out the prices and I was like, it's a little bit higher than I'm willing to pay. So here at my hostel, they have this notice board. You can see there's 3 things on there. When I got here, there's only 2. This one's in German, can't read it. Sarah's birthday thing is new, that's tomorrow. But this one over here, written in English by a man named Claudio. I saw the Brazilian country code. I was like, okay, let me reach out. Sarah actually knows him, and she's like, yeah, I met him at the hostel. Anyway, so he connects me with his group. There's 4 of them going, and they're like, yeah, we got room for 1 more. So now I'm gonna go with them on their tour of southern Namibia. It's like 6 days. They already rented everything, and I just chip in and do my part. So I'm gonna go to the store and get some supplies and all that. This is gonna be exciting, I'm excited. What's up, everybody? It's your boy, the TMax. Today's, I guess, day pre-1 of our Namibian tour. One of the guys that I'm gonna do the tour with is right here. Steve, I'll let him introduce himself.
I'm Steve from Rwanda.
Okay.
I'm happy to meet with Tim.
Yeah, likewise, man. So, we are 2 of 5. So there's 3 other guys that we're gonna meet. We all just met up online, right? So this is a new experience for me. Have you ever done this type of trip before, meeting people online?
No, it's my second time to meet people online.
Okay.
Because my trip in Zanzibar, I did that like that.
Nice.
Okay. Facebook, I have everything.
Okay, so we met up on Facebook. I didn't even know people still use Facebook, but I met up through the guy in the hostel that you guys saw in the last video. Anyway, Steve and I got some supplies today so we can meet up and chat.
Yeah.
We'll meet the other guys soon. We'll see you guys tomorrow when we meet the other guys.
The next day.
Okay, so we are here, officially day 1. Steve's here. We met up with Daniel this morning.
How's it going? I'm Daniel. I'm from Canada, and I'm cautiously optimistic about this trip. Real nervous about driving on the left side of the road, but let's see what happens.
Yeah.
I hope we enjoy.
Awesome.
We're going to enjoy it.
We're going to go out to the coast to pick up 2 others. So, yeah, the adventure will start with us first here in Windhoek. This is our vehicle. We got the 2 tents that go on the top. Ooh, we got cooler. Nice spare tire, treads, chairs. Was this NOS? So we can do some Fast and Furious racing? Oh no, it's for we got barbecue grill stuff. And this is gas for that. We got gas tanks for, are those water jugs or gas? We got Steve doing the same thing as me. It's inside. The inside of the car. We're gonna pull it out. We're gonna learn how to open up the tents and all that. And we're gonna hit the road.
Yeah. We are ready for next 6 days.
Yeah.
We can't wait.
Let's go.
Click the buttons and don't delay. Join the party, start today. Video shining like
So we did a quick stop in Karibib just to get some gas, to use the bathroom, and now we are heading to the coast. Yeah, Steve! Woo! Daniel's been doing a great job driving.
Yeah,
I do what I can.
As we're driving along the highways, we noticed these rest stops that were basically just 1 table, 1 garbage can, and that was it. So for facilities, you needed to just kind of go in the wild. And as we were driving towards Swakopmund, we talked to the other 2 guys we're going to meet up with, and they're planning to stay in their hostel tonight, and one of them has to work during the day, so they're not going to be able to hang out. So we decided to make a detour.
Hey guys, we're about a few hours away from the capital of Windhoek, Namibia, at the beautiful Spitzkoppe. You can see the mountains right there. Fantastic detour, if I do say so myself, and just so excited to be here. This is the first thing of nature we've seen leaving the capital city, and I think I speak for the entire group when we're as excited as hell to see what more we can for the rest of the trip.
Good job, Daniel!
Woo!
This is my first time to be in Namibia. I'm happy to be here. So I think we enjoy 6 days in desert. Thank you.
We just finished our pit stop at Spitzkoppe, and when we were going, this tour bus passed us and it had maybe like 15, 20 people in it. So we were thinking, oh man, this place is gonna be kind of crowded. We looked online, it's 180 Namibian dollar entry fee. There's lodges all around. So we're like, okay, there's gonna be people here. Other than that tour group, we saw like 4 people maybe.
And they were locals, man.
Yeah, exactly. So we drove all around and it's just us here. If you come at what's like midday, yes, it's gonna be you. You'll be able to get some good pictures. It's hot though.
Everyone's hiding.
It's hot though. That's why they're hiding. It's hot.
32 Celsius outside.
Yeah.
I'm not converting to Fahrenheit for your audience.
Yeah. Now my audience should know Celsius, right, guys? Leave a comment below if you don't know it, and we'll do the conversion for you.
The only car we've seen.
For you and me, there's so much fun. Subscribe to the TMax, yeah, come on through. Hit the bell, we're waiting for you. Male and female voices singing loud. Join the coolest YouTube crowd.
So we arrived at our campsite. We thought that this was it, but this is the cheap one, which would have been nice, but we ended up booking these clusters over here. So we'll walk around that in a second. But I just found out, 我的朋友他会说中文，你会说中文吗？
我是史蒂夫，我会说中国话。
好，非常好。你住在哪儿？在中国？
我在湖南，
在中国你做什么？
我是医生，
很有意思。
现在我说一点点。
对，我忘了很多，可是很有意思。我们说中文。
Two more plugs over here, which we can use for our devices. This is the braai area right here.
Oh, nice.
That's a sink for, I assume, if we have messy hands and, stuff like that. And then behind this locked door is the toilet.
I was wondering what the key was for.
Yeah, that's what it's for.
If you want out with the video.
Yeah, he's good. It's good. You can go.
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Ooh, private bath. Oh, it's like full on toilet, shower,
Yeah.
Well, that's crazy.
and
Looks good for you guys?
yeah, works for me.
All right.
Run. So that's our campsite over there, and we are next to the beach.
From the highs to the lows.
All right, then you're going to turn this left at the stop.
Oh, okay. Oh, shit.
Yeah. That's just me.
First time driving on the right side of the car. So now the question is, can we do the tent without the guy from the store?
Push it as much as you can. Keep it coming. Yep.
Okay, we're getting it.
From the highs to the lows. Every upload steals the show.
Yeah, look at me grilling. Yeah, making us some burgers. Quick and easy. It's gonna be delicious. I'm about to eat, so I don't know about these guys because I'm ready.
Cheers to a great first day, guys. Doritos, sponsor these travels for more tours.
Let's do it.
Laughs and thrills we guarantee.
Oh. Sweet.
Yeah, come on through. Hit the bell. We're waiting for you.
Lightened. I gotta fold that back this way.
This is how you know who's from Canada and who's not. Me, no. Him, no. Him, yes.
Hello, my name is Claudio from Brazil.
I'm Thomas from Argentina.
All right, so we're not gonna walk that way. We're gonna walk that way.
It's kind of smelly, but yeah, it's their habitat, so maybe we are smelly for them as well.
After a bumpy road, we finally arrived at the Tropic of Capricorn.
Subscribe to the team.